Now, this is how you can connect your GoPro to your phone. Let's get into it. So GoPro has a specific and a dedicated application on the Google Play Store as well as the App Store, and it's called Quick. So it is kind of like a different title, but you should be able to find it by typing in the GoPro into the search as well. But yeah, the app is officially called Quick. And when you open up this app, you essentially just have to ensure that the GoPro is turned on as well, right? So you need to make sure that the connection can be established, that the battery is charged and everything, right? So the regular process. And then you can just open up the app and just start pairing and connecting the camera, right? So if your phone asks for permission for this app to connect to local devices, obviously you need to grant that permission, otherwise it's not going to work, right? Then you need to follow the on-screen instructions to select it and just go through the pairing process and mode, right, to just connect everything, right? And once you do, you will see that then you can access all of the photos, media, videos, everything directly from the phone, right? So it depends on the model, but you can also just enable the live preview and control the video editing directly from this. So it might be useful in like multiple different like ways. Obviously, you don't need to perform any kind of connection technically, right? So you can still just take the SD card out of the GoPro, just use that specifically. No apps, no connections. It's not necessary, right? Because you can always just take out the SD card and connect it to your phone or a computer, and then you can get the footage directly right there. So connection to or through the application is useful and very good. I like it personally very much, but it's not necessary. It's not a condition. So that's it. That is kind of how it works. If you have more questions about this, then leave them below in the comments. But I have some different tutorials regarding GoPro on this channel, so go ahead and check those out. And yeah, that's it. I'm gonna wrap up the video right now and subscribe, and we'll see each other in the future.